Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove text from a video by Canva. So unfortunately there is no tools that can help you to remove text from your video, but you can actually remove background of the video to get the object, but you actually can't remove the text with any type of tool. Here you can see there's two tools only available, that is one is remove vision remover or the highlights here. So otherwise you can actually do it without the tools here, but you can do only one thing, that is you can use some shape to match the background color to hide that text on your video. So just like this, I'm going to choose the color from here, the black color. So this is the black color. Now if you just expand it to like this, just like this, and I'm going to expand it like, and here as this you can actually hide that text, or otherwise you can add any other images on that text or to hide that text on Canva or make it more fancy. So it's up to you how you can choose relevant image to add to that video. So that's the all thing that you can do to remove a text from Canva. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.